Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into van.video, which is the powerful AI video generator that many are calling the uncensored open alternative to VO3. So you must be wondering what is van.video, right? So van.video is an AI platform that turns the text prompts into the cinematic videos with the lifelike motion, realistic lighting, and smooth transitions. You can think of it as VO3, but free, limitless, and open source. Unlike many restricted tools, van.vo is uncensored and open to everyone. There is no wish lists, there is no export caps, no hidden limitations. Early users have praised the impressive realism of the generated scenes, the strong lip sync of the avatars, and the flexibility to customize the output in deep ways. It runs on the standard GPU setups, making it accessible for the creators everywhere. Also, because it is open source and flexible, developers can tweak the styles, train their domain specific models, and integrate it into the existing video pipeline. So that's van.video, a movie level AI video generator that might challenge even VO3, but on your terms, free, open source, and powerful. So would you try van.video for your content? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest AI tool reveals. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.